to use this phone holder in a way so that it will hold the phone either on horizontal or on vertical using a tripod. This can be pulled apart like so, and it has two screw mountings, one on the larger side and one on the smaller side. And to put it around the phone, make sure you are not pressing the power button. You have to place it up there and pull it down. And it is grabbing the phone from the bottom and from the top, and that's the mounting portion. Now to attach it to the tripod, it has a screw here on the top, and you can use the one which is here on the smaller side. Insert it there and rotate it, tighten it, spread the three legs apart, and now it is holding the phone on horizontal. And you can record videos or whatever you want because the camera is here on the side and this is not blocking it. Now if you want to use the phone on vertical, then push it up and get it out, but you cannot attach it like so that it will hold it from the bottom and from the top because it is not expanding that much. And in that case, remove it, loosen it, and don't use the smaller side but use the larger side. Attach it there and tighten it. Now you will not be using it this way because in this manner it will record the ground, but you have to loosen that screw which makes this top portion loose because now it's not moving. So loosen that. Now it is rotating and up and down also at that opening. So push it down, lock it, and insert the phone. And it looks like this. Push in that leg so that it will not fall down. And it is holding the phone on vertical. The phone is vertical. And by using this screw on the back side, if you loosen it, then you can rotate it, let's say that way. And you can use it on horizontal also. So this screw which is on the smaller side does not allow the phone to be held on vertical, only on horizontal. But the other one on the longer side allows the phone to be used on horizontal and on vertical also. The camera is up here, it is not blocked. Tighten this also. And the camera is here and it's not blocked, it is filming forward. It is two down, it's in contact with the leg, so in that case rotate it upside down and rotate the phone also upside down. Remove it and rotate it and attach it. The phone is held on horizontal and the phone is held on vertical.